Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Henry. Henry writes from Hackensack, New Jersey. And Henry writes, my wife and I have had our rental property for a while. Our tenant moved out, so I think it's a good time to do renovations. Do you think we should renovate the entire place? Well, that's a good question, Henry. Paying for renovations and repairs is appropriate to maintain your rental property and to attract the best tenants. However, your return on investment, your ROI on your rental property, is a function not only of the rent that you collect, but also a function of the money that you spend. And the more money that you spend, the lower your ROI will be. So over renovating a property, which is basically spending too much money on the property, is probably the biggest renovation mistake that landlords, particularly new landlords, make. And I think one of the main reasons is because many people mistakenly believe that every dollar you spend improving your property increases the value of your property. And that's simply not true. So renovation for the sake of renovation is just a waste of money and reduces your overall return on investment for your rental property. So what I suggest you do is, first, make an honest assessment of your rental property in its current state and determine, just the items, identify the items that really need to be renovated, replaced, or upgraded. After you've done that, you can create a budget and a spending cap. And without a budget or a spending cap, you're kind of flying blind, and you also make yourself vulnerable to crooked contractors. Because remember, you're going to need contractors to do the work. So thanks for your question, Henry. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.